In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to simplify this radical expression. And you are not expected to do it with calculator, but it's just so easy, okay? And don't forget to tell us how it helps you in the comments. Let's do this together. So to simplify this, what do? We're going to begin this with solution, okay? So what we need to do is remember for each root a divided by b, when you have it in this form, it is the same as root a divided by root b. So what do you do here? This will give us root of 81 divided by root of 9 minus root of 80. Interesting. Now what do? You know too well that this is square root of 81. And square root of 81 is the same number you multiply 2 times because it's square root to give you 81. And that is 9 because 9 times 9 gives us 81. So square root of 81 will give us 9. So we're going to have 9 divided by square root of 9 minus square root of 80. Now, what do? This is square root of root. How do you simplify this? I'm going to teach you. Just remember that for each time you have square root of a minus b root m, this is the same thing as root of a, okay, let's use p, root of p minus root of q. How do we get these values? You get it by finding two numbers that when you multiply it, it gives you this m, and when you add the two numbers, it gives you a. Know too well that your p should be greater than your q, okay? So we're going to have p and q are the two numbers to multiply to give us this, and when you add them together, it gives us a. And also note it that your b should be equal to 2. So for you to apply this rule, your b must be 2. And then when you look at this expression, you observe that there is no 2 here, but I'm going to teach you how to do that. So this is going to be a guide. Now, applying this to simplify, we are going to have, now this we can rewrite it as, so this gives us 9 divided by square root of 9 minus root of 80, okay? Now this root 80, you know too well that it is the same as, this 80 is the same as 4 multiplied by 20. So what does it mean? We can also rewrite this to give us 9 divided by root of 9 minus, this will give us, this 80 will now be 4 multiplied by 20. You have not changed anything. Keep simplifying it. You are going to have 9 divided by root of 9 minus. Now this as you know is the same as you having it as root of 4 multiplied by root of 20. Just know it that for every root of a multiplied by b, it is root of a multiplied by root of b. So you apply this when you have it in this form to get this. I hope this is understood. Now if you keep simplifying this, we are going to have 9 divided by root of 9 minus, now this will give us 2, okay? So we have 2 root 20. Interesting. Now what does that mean? You see, we've been able to get 2 here, obeying this. But what you need to do next is to find two numbers that when we multiply, it gives us 20, and then when we add them, it gives us 9. Let's take it to this part. So we have it that this is now 9 divided by root of 9 minus 2 root 20. We said that the two numbers, so which two numbers are we looking at? We are going to consider these numbers 4 and 5. But remember we said p should be greater. So we're going to have 5 and 4, okay? Now, when you multiply 5 and 4, it gives you 20. And when you add 5 and 4, you see it gives you 9. So we're going to make use of these two numbers. Now, applying this, we are going to have, this will give us root of, so for simplifying this, we are going to have we are going to have 9 divided by, so we have root of 5, okay, minus root of 4. This is of this form. Simplifying it from here, we have, so this gives us 9 divided by root 5 minus square root of 4 gives us 2. So you see what we have. And each time you have a root of this type at the denominator, what you should do is to remove. And to remove the root at the denominator simply means to rationalize. So to rationalize this, because it's an expression, we are going to take the conjugate, okay? The conjugate of a plus root b is a minus root b, and vice versa. So because it's subtraction, the conjugate of it will now be, so we get the conjugate and then use it to multiply both sides. So the conjugate of this is root 5. Change the sign to addition. This is what you have. So we're going to use this, multiply it with the numerator, and also use it for the denominator. So from here, we're going to have this 9, we multiply everything here, okay? So we are going to have 9 multiplied root 5 plus 2 divided by, these 2 we multiply, so we have root 5 minus 2 is multiplied with root 5 plus 2. Simplifying this, we have 9 will be distributed inside. This will give us 9 root 5 plus 9 times this gives us 18. Interesting. And this is divided. Now, when you look at this denominator, the values are the same. Difference is in the sign. So quickly remember that for every a squared minus b squared, it is a plus b and a minus b. So when you have it like this, just like when you have, this is the same as having as root 5 plus 2 is multiplying with root 5 minus 2. So when it's of this form, we can have it like this. Did you see that? So this is of this form and is expressing what we have here. So to expand the denominator, we're going to have root 5 raised to power of 2 minus 2 to the power of 2. Interesting. Now keep simplifying this. We are going to now have this as, so this gives us 9 root 5 plus 18 divided by, now this square, we cancel the square root, so we are left with 5 minus 2 to the power of 2 is 2 times 2 to give us 4. If you keep simplifying, you have 9 root 5 plus 18 is divided by, subtract this, it gives you 1. And when you divide a number by 1, it gives you 9 root 5 plus 18. And this is the answer you get for simplifying this without using your calculator. And I hope this really helps you a lot. Don't forget to let us know how much. Share this so that others will learn. And don't forget to like this video. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to click on the notification button and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for always engaging with us. I appreciate you all. See you in our next class. Bye.